Chibi, run for yourself, Letizo. Don't you know that the Minister of Agriculture in heaven is waiting for people to grow up men there? Your friend are dying in June because Minister of Energy is putting up pressures for those who are feeling cold. So die now or die in June. Call straight away.